Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the paper size in WPS Office Mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open WPS Office on your mobile. Then click on the Create option and choose a document type. After that, tap on the Use Now button and the template will begin uploading. Next, click on the 4 dots option in the bottom left corner. Here you will see different menus like Home, File, Insert, and View. Click on View, scroll down, and select Page Setup. From here, you can adjust the paper size to your preference. That's it. Our work is done. This method allows you to customize your page layout easily for printing, assignments, or projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more WPS Office tips and tricks.